here at our Evo Center in Acworth, Georgia. And right behind me is the VT-100. What makes ASV unique is the ability to travel in places many conventional compact track loaders can't due to its undercarriage.
Before we begin, I want to tell you about our daily newsletter. Be sure to sign up to get the latest in construction news.
Hi, my name is Peter Ovrebo, and I am the Product Management Director for Yanmar Compact Equipment North America. The VT-100 is a brand new product for the ASV product line. It fills a gap between our 74 horsepower machines and our 135 horsepower machine. The VT-100 is a vertical lift machine that utilizes ASV's patented Posi-Track system. As you can see here, we don't use a steel embed undercarriage. Rather, we use a track that has poly cords inside to help it flex and contour over the ground better. When you look at our track system, we have independent torsion axles on the front and the rear of the machine, and each side is independent from one another. Also, a unique feature is our dual level suspension. So down here at our mid rollers, you can see they're also suspended. I've backed up over a 4x4 pressed down into this Georgia clay, but you can see the articulation in the mid rollers to help really maintain that contact of track to ground. It's really important to help you get into situations that you need to go, and also maintain pushing force and digging force in certain applications. As we move around back to the machine here, serviceability is really paramount to us at Yanmar, and it's no different with the ASV track loader here. You can see as we open this up, all the rear access panels are toolless and really gives you unparalleled access to the engine compartment. What you'll notice with the ASV machines is that we don't stack any of our coolers. So here we have our radiator, here we have our oil cooler, up here we have our air-to-air exchange, and right behind the cab we have our condenser for our air conditioning system. The reason that we don't stack our coolers is because we expect these machines to be put into really extreme conditions, running at 100% hydraulic duty cycles and ambient temperatures exceeding 100 degrees. And with this machine, there's no need to have an auxiliary cooling package on it, because it'll cool off the auxiliary flow that it's putting out. As we move around to the other side of the machine, one thing that's really unique with the ASV machines as well is that we have clear side glass all the way around the machine. We don't have a lot of grates that are difficult to clean behind or cause blind spots when operating the machine. Inside of the cab, we're running electronic over hydraulic joystick controls, and that allows for a number of things. By doing so, we can change the joystick pattern from ISO to H pattern to adapt to different customers, as well as the electric hydraulic system allows us to adjust sensitivity levels. So you can adjust the sensitivity or the aggressiveness of the drive, as well as the hydraulic lift and tilt system. That system also allows us to have dual direction self-leveling, so you can have this machine level in the upward direction as well as in the downward direction. And on some configurations, we can have a return to position feature that allows an operator to preset a certain position of the loader arm as well as the work tool, and repeatedly go back to that position by a simple press of the button. This machine here is outfitted with our auxiliary high flow system, but the system can also come with a standard flow as well. Also inside the cab, we have a 7-inch color touchscreen display, and within that display is where we have a suite of productivity features, like I had mentioned, with a return to position, creep, auto idle, auto shift, etc. So really excited with this model. It's been great for us so far. If you're interested, please check it out at your local ASV dealer.
For more videos like this, click the playlist on the screen now.